We'll guide you through how to deploy Python apps on Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and sign into your account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, click on the New Project button on the dashboard. You'll see a list of your Git repositories. Choose the one that contains your Python application. If your repository isn't linked yet, you'll need to connect it by clicking on the Import button and authorizing Vercel to access your repo. After selecting the repository, Vercel will automatically detect that it's a Python project, and you should see Python listed as the framework. Now, it's time to configure your build and output settings. Usually, Vercel handles this automatically, but it's a good idea to check. Make sure you have a requirements.txt file in your project root, as Vercel uses this to install the necessary dependencies. If your app needs specific environment variables, go to the Environment Variables section and add them there. Next, click on the Deploy button. Vercel will start building your application. This process might take a few moments. Once the build is complete, you'll get a URL where your app is hosted. You can click on it to see your Python app live. If you need to make updates, just push changes to your Git repository. Vercel will automatically trigger a rebuild and deploy the updated version. This continuous deployment feature is super handy for keeping your app up to date with minimal effort. And that's it. You've successfully deployed your Python app on Vercel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.